Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and I'm the Organic Esthetician. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to the newest addition to my treatment room, Skin Moderne's UltraFusion Pen. So this is a professional handheld ultrasound device that offers non-invasive treatments to promote anti-aging and skin health. We're going to talk all about ultrasound. We're going to go in depth on the 6 different programs the UltraFusion Pen offers. While this video is geared a little more towards my estheticians that are watching, I do think this is going to be really beneficial for everyone else tuning in at home so that you can learn about new non-invasive treatments that are available, possibly from your local esthetician. If at the end of this video you're interested in booking an UltraFusion treatment, you can request a facial from me over at theorganicesthetician.com, or you can reach out to Skin Moderne directly by emailing them at info@skinmoderne.com to find out if there's an esthetician near you offering UltraFusion treatments. I'll include all that information down below as well. Ultrasound is a non-invasive modality that can be used for a myriad of treatments, from diagnostics and internal imaging to body contouring and ablation of adipose tissue, or even the treatment of pain. On the other hand, the Skin Moderne UltraFusion Pen is a non-invasive professional ultrasound treatment that can be used to increase firmness and elasticity in the skin by stimulating collagen and elastin. It can be used to treat rosacea or sensitivity in the skin as it reduces redness and inflammation. And it can even be used to treat acne. The UltraFusion Pen has a frequency of 10 megahertz. A megahertz is 1 million cycles per second. The higher the frequency of ultrasound, the shorter the wavelengths and the more easily it'll be absorbed by the body. So the shorter the wavelength means that it's not penetrating as deep into the body. So the 10 megahertz that the UltraFusion offers only penetrates 0.3 centimeters deep, or 3 millimeters into the skin. On the other hand, treatments like high intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU, use a frequency of almost 2 megahertz, which means that it's penetrating into the skin between 1 and almost 2 centimeters deep. This is why it's used for body contouring and dissolving fat. So do you see the difference? Using the UltraFusion Pen, you'll never have to worry about dissolving any of the fat in your face, which we really want to hold on to. Okay, so just to recap, the higher the megahertz, the larger that number is, the shallower it will penetrate into the body. Now, this is really important because it's in these upper layers of the skin that fibroblast activity happens. And the UltraFusion Pen is especially geared towards stimulating that fibroblast activity, in addition to doing a host of other things, which we'll talk about shortly. And for all my California estheticians tuning in, this also means that we are within our scope of practice, making the UltraFusion a fantastic addition to any anti-aging treatment you might already be offering. The UltraFusion Pen offers 6 different programs: anti-aging, Couperose, Skin Improvement 1 and 2, and Acne 1 and 2. In all 6 of these treatments, you're going to get those 10 megahertz of frequency, but depending on the program that you choose, the wand will either emit a continuous or an intermittent wave. This is called the mode. Intermittent waves are used to increase the movement of the cells that you're targeting without creating any heat. A constant ultrasound wave not only creates that movement in the cell, but it also creates a gentle warmth which intensifies that movement. So what that means for you when you're experiencing one of these treatments is that when there's an intermittent wave, the wand will be cool on the skin. When there's a continuous wave, the wand will emit a very gentle warmth. In comparison to something like radio frequency gets very hot. The continuous wave mode with the UltraFusion Pen feels almost like using a warm stone massage on the skin. It's very pleasant, incredibly relaxing, and the movements create almost a lymphatic effect on the skin. I find that a lot of my clients tend to fall asleep during my UltraFusion treatments. The last thing you need to know before we jump into each of these UltraFusion programs is the intensity. The intensity of the program shows the energy used. The higher the intensity, the more of an effect you'll have on those target cells. So if we put all of that together, a continuous mode and a high intensity is going to offer the deepest, most active treatment possible. Whereas an intermittent wave and a lower intensity will offer a gentler treatment better suited for more sensitive skin. So when you're using your UltraFusion wand, during your treatment, the end of your wand will be blue. So you'll start by working exclusively on one side of the face. Halfway through that program, the wand will blink red and then go back to a solid blue, letting you know that it's time to switch to the opposite side of the face. So the anti-aging program is 12 minutes long, 6 minutes on one side of the face, 6 minutes on the other. Now, it's a little unique because it changes halfway through the program. So when you're working on one side of your face and you're using the anti-aging program, the first 3 minutes of your treatment uses an intermittent wave with an intensity of 5. After 3 minutes, it switches to a continuous wave with an intensity of 4. The wand will blink red, and then you'll repeat that on the opposite side. First 3 minutes is intermittent. Second 3 minutes is continuous. So when you're using your anti-aging program, you really want to make sure that you stay on one side of the face for the first half, so you're getting the benefits of both of those two modes. You're going to want to use the anti-aging program if you're interested in triggering that fibroblast activity. Fibroblasts secrete collagen proteins. Collagen is what firms the skin. The anti-aging program is all about increasing collagen production in the skin, which is going to help make it plump and firm. I use the anti-aging program on almost every one of my clients. The Couperose program is 10 minutes. The first 3 minutes is an intermittent mode with an intensity of 3, and the last 2 minutes is a continuous mode with an intensity of 3. After 5 minutes, it'll blink red, and you'll switch to the opposite side of the face. The Couperose program is all about reducing inflammation, calming the skin, creating that vasoconstriction activity. The program is wonderful if you're trying to calm a lot of redness and inflammation. It's also fantastic if you have a client with rosacea. Skin Improvement 1 and 2 are 12-minute programs. Skin Improvement 1 offers a continuous mode with an intensity of 3. Skin Improvement 2 offers a continuous mode with an intensity of 4. Both Skin Improvement 1 and 2 are all about firming and toning the upper layers of the skin. Skin Improvement 1 is going to be better suited for someone that's on the sensitive side, as Skin Improvement 2 is slightly more active. While you get a little bit of fibroblast activity from the Skin Improvement programs, the anti-aging program is still going to be best suited for collagen stimulation. I personally really like to layer anti-aging with Skin Improvement 2. That's my go-to combo for an anti-aging treatment with the UltraFusion pen. Lastly, Acne 1 and Acne 2 are 10-minute treatments. Acne 1 is an intermittent mode with an intensity of 5, and Acne 2 is a continuous mode with an intensity of 5. So Acne 1 is fantastic at reducing inflammation associated with acne. It's going to be very anti-inflammatory. Acne 2 dives deeper to address the root causes of acne at their source. For my acneic clients, I really love pairing these two programs together. So I'll start with Acne 2 to address the breakout at the source, and then I'll finish with Acne 1 to reduce the inflammation in those upper layers. I'm always surprised at how much of a reduction in inflammation I'm able to achieve using Acne 1. So I'm going to show you a couple before and afters. You can see firsthand the benefits of these UltraFusion treatments. When you're performing performing your UltraFusion treatments, you're going to need some sort of water-based product to act as your slip or glide on the skin. Skin Moderne recommends using their Rejuvenation Serum in conjunction with your UltraFusion treatments. All of the Skin Moderne products use a base of 3 different types of hyaluronic acid, so they're incredibly hydrating. They are formulated with a very small molecular size, and their delivery system utilizes this really unique encapsulation. Really impressed with their formulations. They're clean. I've been really enjoying using the Skin Moderne serum. So in addition to all of that, the Rejuvenation Serum has 5 plant-based growth factors. So these work to increase healing in the skin. They increase cellular renewal, they boost collagen and elastin formation, they help reduce wrinkles, and they promote the overall rejuvenation of the skin. So traditionally, ultrasound on its own doesn't expand the skin to enhance product penetration. But using your UltraFusion, you'll get some enhanced delivery as it amplifies the activity of the delivery system of their elemental serums. One of the great things about ultrasound, and specifically the UltraFusion pen, is that there are very little contraindications. If you think about it, if you've ever been pregnant or thought you were pregnant, you've had an ultrasound, which makes the UltraFusion pen one of the only anti-aging treatments that's safe to do while you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, as with anything, if you have a pre-existing condition and are being treated for it by a physician, make sure that you talk to your doctor before adding in ultrasound to your weekly or monthly facials. One of the great things about this device and about these treatments is that you can't really overdo it. So you can perform multiple treatments in a single session. Your client could come in every day if they wanted to, or once a week. I've started incorporating the UltraFusion treatments into my signature facial, which is something that my clients would do once a month. But I also offer a package of 5 facials where I would see them once a week. Another thing that's really great about these treatments is that you see a result instantly. But after a series, whether your series is 5 or 10, I have clients that just repeat a package of 5 if they want to continue on their anti-aging journey. After about 6 to 8 weeks post-intensive is when they'll see their final result. So as with all collagen stimulation, it does take a little time for that new production of collagen to come up and show itself on the surface of the skin. After doing an intensive, you can maintain those results with monthly treatments. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe. All right, everyone, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye.